How to withdraw money from Nium Card. Follow these instructions. Log into the Nium portal, go to Card Settings, and enable ATM withdrawals if disabled for your card to allow cash access. Check your card balance and make sure it's a prepaid debit card with enough funds to cover the withdrawal and possible fees. Review daily and per transaction withdrawal limits, and be aware of local or international ATM charges that may apply. Locate an ATM that accepts your card's network, Visa or MasterCard, and is in a safe and accessible location near you. Insert or tap your Nium card at the ATM, enter your 4-digit PIN securely, and select the Cash Withdrawal option. Choose Checking or Savings as account type, then enter the withdrawal amount and confirm to complete the transaction. Collect your cash and receipt, then open the Nium app or portal to verify the transaction and updated card balance. Thanks for watching.